What happens when the one person who knows everything leaves? Too many logistics operations still depend on memory. The cargo industry runs on tribal knowledge. And here's one of the biggest hidden operational risks in logistics: tribal knowledge. The industry normalized workflows where one person knows the process, one person knows the workaround, one person knows who to call, one person knows where the latest updates live, and when that one person is unavailable, operations slow down instantly. That's not scalable infrastructure. That's institutional dependency. As logistics ecosystems become more complex, operational knowledge can't live inside individual inboxes or human memory anymore. It needs structured execution coordination. That's why Plug-in Freight Ops was designed to create shared visibility, structured workflows, accountability, and coordinated operational intelligence across stakeholders. Because the future of logistics cannot depend on the one person who knows everything.